We often talk about the chilling terror of outer space. But what if I told you that the deepest parts of our own planet are far more terrifying? Welcome to the debate. Why the ocean is arguably more terrifying than the vast, cold emptiness of outer space. Let's dive in. When we consider fear, we typically look up at the stars and contemplate the void. But the threat posed by the deep sea is fundamentally different and arguably more primal. Our thesis is simple. The ocean presents a more immediate, inaccessible, and alien threat right here on Earth, making it profoundly scarier. Let's start with the unknown. For all its vastness, we have a relatively clear understanding of space's physics and layout. The ocean, however, holds mysteries right beneath the waves. Consider this staggering fact. Less than 5% of the ocean floor has been mapped in detail. We literally know more about the surface of Mars than the bottom of our own seas. And when it comes to life, the vast majority of deep-sea organisms remain completely undiscovered. Imagine the true monsters lurking in the blackness. While space is incomprehensibly large, planetary mechanics, orbits, and celestial bodies are structurally known. The deep ocean floor is still mostly a blank slate. The physics of the deep ocean introduce a threat that is immediately destructive: pressure. This is where the ocean's power truly shows its terror. In the Hadal Zone, like the Mariana Trench, the pressure is equivalent to having 50 jumbo jets stacked on top of you. It is instantly lethal to anything outside specialized equipment. An equipment failure underwater results in instant implosion. In space, failure can lead to suffocation, but the consequences are rarely as instantaneous and physically annihilating as deep-sea pressure failure. Beyond the physics, the immediate environment of the deep ocean is hostile in ways that space's vacuum is not. It's a sensory nightmare. The midnight zone is total darkness, freezing cold, and complete sensory deprivation. Being plunged into that abyss is a far more terrifying fate than the silent void of space. And unlike the theoretical alien threats in space, the deep sea contains very real, truly alien organisms that look like nightmares and actively hunt in the crushing darkness. Finally, let's address the psychological component: thalassophobia, the fear of the deep, dark water. This fear is innate to humans. The terror isn't just about the pressure. It's the primal dread of something vast and unknown lurking just beneath the surface, hidden by the water's opaque mass. The ocean reminds us of our biological vulnerability and physical limitations more directly than the distant threat of space, making us feel small and isolated. So which is scarier? While space is the ultimate unknown, the ocean is the immediate, crushing, dark, and alien unknown. The ocean's proximity, its active hostility to human life, and the sheer volume of undiscovered mysteries make the deep sea a uniquely terrifying environment. Next time you look at the sea, remember the vast, dark, and crushing world that lies beneath. It is a terrifying frontier that demands our utmost respect.